Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. I got here on the table, it's a very interesting product. It's nicely wrapped up. It's some wood, floating shells. We're going to show you how simple it is to hook them up, and I'm going to place them in my studio. So let's get right to the review. Every hanger is individually wrapped. It's made of iron, metal. They got 2 holes. They got a screwdriver that they give you, anchors and screws, and of course you get a create for you little instructions on how to do. This is the board. This is the hanger. On the bottom there are little hooks, so this is going to create your floating shelf. You're going to need a tape measure, and that's about it, and a screwdriver. Let's go hang these bad boys up. We're going to pick a height. And I am going to simply start right here. I need to level my hanger. So I'm going to place my board on. I'm going to place a level. And I'm going to take my other hanger and start to adjust. I got my shelf all hooked up. It's very simple to hook up indeed, and everything's like the way I like. It's a nice floating shelf if asked. You could put them all over the place. You could get many of them to replace your old shelves and so forth. I hope this product is something you're looking for, that is nice and lightweight and very nice in design, holding things that are pretty solid indeed. I hope you enjoy your floating shelf if the product is right for you.